We are covering center of gravity, or CG, a fundamental concept for the FAA Part 107 exam. The center of gravity is the exact point where the entire weight of the drone is considered to be concentrated. It's the pivot point, the master balance point of the aircraft. If you could balance your drone on the tip of a pencil, the spot where it sits perfectly level is its CG. The exam will test you not just on the definition, but on the severe aerodynamic consequences of shifting this point. Let's start with a forward CG, meaning the balance point has shifted towards the nose. This often happens when you mount a heavier camera or sensor on the front. A forward CG makes the drone more longitudinally stable. It wants to fly straight and resist changes in pitch. However, this stability comes at a cost. The aircraft becomes less responsive and feels sluggish. To maintain level flight, the horizontal stabilizer or tail surfaces have to produce a greater downward force to counteract the nose heaviness. This increased downward force effectively adds to the total weight the propellers must lift, which leads to a higher stall speed and requires a longer takeoff run. An exam question might describe a pilot adding a new payload to the front and ask for the primary effect on performance. Look for answers related to increased stability and higher stall speed. Now, the more dangerous scenario, an aft CG. This is when the balance point is too far back, making the drone tail-heavy. An aft CG makes the aircraft critically unstable. While it might feel more responsive or even sporty at first, it's a deceptive feeling. The drone will have a strong tendency to pitch up unexpectedly, and it becomes extremely difficult to recover from a stall. On the exam, this is the critical safety takeaway. The FAA wants you to know that an aft CG reduces the aircraft's ability to right itself after a disturbance. Recovery from a stall or an unusual attitude may become impossible. A common exam trap is to confuse the increased responsiveness of an aft CG with better performance. It's not better, it's dangerous. The manufacturer of your drone specifies a permissible CG range, often called the CG envelope. In the aircraft's manual or pilot's operating handbook, as the remote pilot in command, it is your legal responsibility to ensure the drone is loaded so that the CG is within this envelope for every single flight. Adding or removing any equipment, whether it's a camera, a sensor, or even propeller guards, will shift the CG. An exam question could ask about the pilot's responsibility after modifying the aircraft's configuration. The answer is always to verify the weight and balance. A drone that is loaded outside its CG envelope may be uncontrollable upon takeoff. A severely aft CG could cause it to flip over backwards instantly, while a severely forward CG might prevent it from rotating for liftoff at all. Don't just think about forward and aft balance, which is longitudinal. Also consider lateral or side-to-side balance. Mounting a payload off-center on a wing will create a lateral imbalance, requiring constant motor input to keep the wings level. To keep this straight for the exam, use this phrase: forward is forgiving, aft is frightening. A forward CG is more stable and forgiving of pilot error, even if it's sluggish. An aft CG is frightening because it makes the aircraft unstable and recovery from an upset is uncertain. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.